thing slammed. It's sitting on the ground. I smell gasoline. Like literally somebody's leaking some gas. This is some super duper old dragster. Like Jesus, this thing is probably 1960s, yeah. Look like they got a bicycle wheel on the front. And they starting to sell this thing. That was just for show. Ain't nobody gonna run this. He got a battery sitting there like he gonna fire it up. That thing ain't gonna fire up. But that is pretty cool though. That's some real vintage stuff. They used to race these, I think, yeah, on the drag strip too. I hope they have some of these out there on the track today. Man, I could have brought my little Z car and parked it, but you know, don't nobody give a shit. I know Z cars, but cause there's not one up here. I haven't walked everywhere, but I can almost guarantee you ain't gonna be no little bitty Z car up here. I like these little cars. I mean, not little cars, but I like these cars. Remember the baseball player Reggie? I think Jackson had a ton of these cars. He's probably like 90-something years old right now. That's if he's still living. Yeah, I remember him having a bunch of these. Okay, I don't know what this is, but forgive my videotaping. Man. This is crazy. Was it work? Obviously, I'm sure he drove it here. That's crazy. Oh yeah, I like this right here too. I like how they got the wing on the back. That's cool. Looks like it's for sale too. It's real tight. What kind of car that is, but it's tight. Yeah, I like that body style. Nice. And that Nova too, in the white on the other side. That's like a nice too. Yeah. All right, here's another sweet one right here. I think this is the end of the car show. Nope. Oh man, they got cars all over the place. Gee whiz. Man, that's crazy. Man, I'm not gonna be able to see all these cars today. Yeah, that's nice. Man, this thing is, that's a fucking, like a straight boat. Dang, that thing is tight though. Look at that. I ain't never seen a car that long. That's tight. And it's just all stock too. That's crazy. You probably need that's a Cadillac? Oh, okay. That's sweet. Alright, this is a cool little car too. It's a Mercury something. Almost like the Mustang, but just a little bit different. Actually, a lot of bit different. I ain't really never seen one of these anyway. It probably had a fast motor in it too. There's another one. This one looks like it's real nice. Can you see how pretty it is in person? You gotta see it in person. Jeez, this bad boy is sweet. Man, that's a hell of a motor right there, boy. You step on it, he's spinning them tires up. Yeah, that's patina right there, for real, for real. Dang, OGMC. I don't know what's the story behind that truck, but that should probably be rolling. Yeah, roll runner. Woo, that motherfucker looks sweet too. Those fat tires on, they probably not even running them. That motherfucker looks good. I do hope they race these things. I love to see that. Muscle cars out here running. Nothing but muscle. Oh yeah, okay. That's crazy. I've never seen a straight, what is this, 6-cylinder? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, a 6-cylinder. I don't know what kind of motor that is, but that's crazy. Man. Look at this crazy Pinto. Got a Pinto out there about to run, and I don't know what this is, but I guess this must be a Willie machine or something. That's crazy right there. An old car too. Dang. That's bananas. All right, some more drag racers. These are sweet. Nothing but muscle right there, boy. This is what I really came for, to watch these suckers race. All right, here we go. Mopar. No problem, no problem. Get a fat tires on that thing. Ooh, man. Oh, here's another. Man. Sweet. Can't wait to see these bad boys run. They're gonna be flying. These are like probably 8-second cars right here. Oh shit, I didn't even see that one. There's another one too, that Nova. Looks like it's sweet. Oh yeah, that's sweet. Man, they gonna be drag racing all day with all these damn cars. That's what I came for. I was hoping that they was gonna be racing the cars now, but I don't know what time they're gonna do that. Oh, what the hell is this? It's a rocket? You seriously know what that does? Oh, it's a jet. Yeah, it's a rocket car. Like a freaking jet engine on that bad boy. aircraft quality right here. Look at that there, boy. Woo. That's crazy. Cockpit too on this bad boy. I wonder what kind of steering apparatus that is. That thing is old too. Oh, they not gonna run this. They not gonna run this. This is just for show. They ain't gonna run this thing. Oh, pretty good. So you guys running this? This not running this today, no?
Excuse me?
They're not taking this down the track today, are they?
No, this takes 3 miles to run.
Oh, okay. Dang, that's crazy. I would love to see that. Man. So they got anything on YouTube on this car?
What's that?
Anything on YouTube?
Oh yeah, he's got 2 other ones, and one is the limo jet car.
Okay.
And the other one's a quarter-mile jet car. He wants to know if you got any other ones. Sorry? He wants to know if you got any other stuff.
Oh, no, YouTube.
Oh yeah, I'm all over. You go. What are you on YouTube?
No, I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Yeah, go ahead and post it. I got. If you want to watch any videos, you go on my website or go on YouTube and put in my name, Jim Jett. I'm all over.
Jim Jett?
Yeah, and my website is Jim. Real easy. Dash Jet.
.com.
Real easy.
All right, this is Jim right here.
There you go.
Man, I'm fascinated with this thing.
Well, it's one of the fastest in the world. I have 4 world records. It's 404 is my world record on pavement on rubber tires. I've had it 20 years. And so I got 2 other quarter-mile jet cars in this. So this has 50,000 horsepower.
Woo!
And I run all over the world.
Right.
So remember, my website is jim-jet.com, or you go on my Facebook, Jim Jett Nielsen, or Instagram, Jim Jett Nielsen.
Okay.
Other than that, give me a call.
Uh-oh.
For all you females, my phone number is.
Hey, thank you very much for the information. Yeah, this is sweet. Look at this thing. That's insane. Oh my goodness. It's too bad I can't get to see this thing run. Oh man, that's bananas. You can't see how long this thing is though. I don't know, that's gotta be almost, that's 40 feet, 30 feet long? Man, now what the heck is this? They not gonna run this. They're not gonna run it. We got some sleds in the back for instead of wheels. We got skid plates. That is bananas. Yeah, this thing probably stand up all the way down the track. Vendors, all the food. I bought food already because I knew this shit was gonna be expensive, but I'm not gonna eat until I get up out of here. Okay, let's go see what they got for sale. I'm not buying nothing.
No, like I was only there a month.
Hey, this is
In October, out of the blue, layoffs. They laid off like 3 people that I used to work
Man, this is cool. It's a long ass car. Oh man, I remember putting. Oh no, I never had nothing like those. So. Man, that's cool. Yeah. But I did used to build these little model cars back in the day. Oh, I like that one. That one right there. That's cool. All of them tight though. They build these little model planes too. All right, here's back to the kitty land. If I see a 240Z, I'ma get it. Fast and the Furious cars. Oh, they got a bunch of them in the box. Okay. I know y'all don't want to see these Hot Wheels, but I like this kind of stuff. These suckers were grip. $45. Do you see them little stickers on there? That's telling you the price. Happen to have a Datsun 240Z. You know, when we was a kid, boy, if we'd have seen something like this, we'd have went nuts. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'd have went bananas. I'd have cried like a baby to get this. These are pretty cool. Oh yeah, you couldn't have got out. I'd have fell asleep in this thing. You would have not got me out of this car. Oh, here's my lane right here. The motorcycles. This has got to be a Kawasaki. Yeah. Oh, that's a Honda. My bad. I don't even know my own name. I don't know motorcycles. That's a Honda. Dang, that's a machine right there, boy. Harley. Another Harley. Really, these are old. Nice. Well, we found a row of Datsuns. I remember seeing that one on the TV show. Let me see which one. It stopped right there. That's not a 240. But that is these little gray ones. Those are sweet. Look at this bad boy right here. This bad boy right here is fire. I like that. Black with the red interior, that's fire. Oh shoot. Oh dang, this is cool. I mean that is cool. You will probably never see another bike like this. I actually sold a mini bike that had a kind of a seat like that on it. But that is that's an old bike. That's probably a 2-stroke 80 on it. I don't know, but that's pretty cool. Now this skateboard stuff takes me back when I was a kid. I can't ride a skateboard to save my life. But I remember I had a long skateboard one time. Probably something like these right here. But it wasn't that nice, but it was a nice one. But it was long. Dang, this is cool though. Take me back to that day. I wonder what the hell these carburetors was on. It look like it's been sitting wherever the heck they was on. Probably never use them again. They probably just paperweights. And this old car right here, I don't know what that is. It's crazy. I do like stuff like that though. I walked right by this. I didn't even notice this thing. Jeez. This is crazy. Woo. Probably not even gonna run it today either. I would love to see this thing run. And another one. Man, I'd be scared to be in there. Them tires flying like that next to me. Spinning, making all that damn noise. Whew. That's tight though. Nitrous in the froze. Okay. Check these out. These are nice. Strictly for cruising. And well, maybe drag racing. I don't think we're gonna drag race these, but this is all right. Check out this kid on his bike. That thing look like you pop a wheelie on there real easy. That's just crazy. It look a little dangerous to me. All right, they done ran a couple of cars down. They snuck off, took a couple of passes off on me. Somebody messed up the track, so I'm gonna kick it right here for a little bit. All right, this is the other one that I missed.
Now, anybody stopped to clean up here? As old as the Dodge was, it wasn't totally track trained and wouldn't take a long starting line area. We'll get back to racing in just a moment. That's the
Man, that's sweet.
My wife just...
One set of stands on the left-hand, the east side of the track.
All right, well, we're back to racing action. We got it cleaned up now. Thanks for coming with me. We'll talk some more. All right, we got a couple of Mopars here. We're Plymouths are racing. We got a pair of Mopars. Now, for those people that don't like Mopars, it sounds like Mopar is many old parts are rusting. Yeah, well, you know, you can pick up here. So you got the Barracuda here in the right lane, taking on the big Plymouth over the left lane of Savoy. 662, 102 through 778 and 87. Another Mopar over the left lane. Big cars. They started importing the Anglia at one point in time, but they wanted a homegrown compact, and the Ford Falcon was introduced in late 1959 as a 1960 model. Chevrolet introduced the Corvair, saw the error of their ways, and came out with the Chevy 2 and the Nova in 1962 to compete against the Falcon. Falcon flies down track, and the driver in the Mopar does the right thing. He pulls to the side. Chevy Nova over the left lane, taking on the Plymouth. Now these are the days when they started making lightweight cars, not putting full chassis on them. The Roadrunner and the Nova are what they call unibody, which is what most cars are today. Very few vehicles have a full frame, mostly only trucks nowadays. So reinforcing these has been a little tough and difficult to do. They're light in weight because they don't have the big perimeter frame. The mayor's car. Now, this guy was actually the mayor of the city he lives in. And he and his son both run cars like this. They both run Pontiac GTOs. And I believe both have been the mayor of the city where they live. So they get staged with Mopar over in the left lane, taking on the GTO here in the right lane. GTO, Gran Turismo. Dodge taking on the Roadrunner. Roadrunner was Plymouth's entry into the muscle car field in 1969 or 68. They came out with the lightweight to the Belvedere, stuffed the 383 in it. It was a basic car, bench seat. It was the original ones were sedans, not hardtops. Plymouth. And Dodge had to come up with something, so they came up with the Super V. Basically the same thing. Stripped down basic car. And Dandy Dick Landy ran a 65. Just like this one here. The Roadrunner runs down track to 610 to a 663, 113 to 99 miles an hour. Another 65 car, and I love this beautiful 61 Chevy. I got to talk to this driver at Verona just a few months back. And it is a, if I remember correctly, a 409. He's so fine, my 409. Don Nicholson started out running 409s back in the day, switched to Mercury later on. Where's the money for sponsorship? Dodge Estate, Chevy to 120 miles an hour. There's the 65 Dodge over the left lane. And once the smoke clears, I'll be able to see what's in the right lane. Look at the Dodge Dart. That could be Dave showing the driving on that one. Miles an hour. A Ruppin Rambler. Yeah, that's it, a Rambler over in the left lane. Don't see too many of them, but they're lightweight. Not the same size as the Chevy, too. And he's going to take on the competition. Chevy. Got a lot of Mopars coming out and a lot of Chevys, but here we got two oddballs, or an oddball, the Rambler. To a 686, the Rambler runs him down and gets him 198 miles an hour. Mopar in the left lane, taking on the Nova here in the right lane, I believe. Again, we got a lot of tire smoke. It's hard to see the cars that are out there. pilot jet, power plant. He was a regular at Irwindale drag strip with that car. To a 581. Mustang got there first though, 113 to 122 miles an hour. Older Dodge here in the right lane, taking on the Nova left lane. Return road, he kept that off the wall the hard way. He made the drag strip into a road course there. Taking on the Nova. Here's that number 2 Mavis. So what you're getting is the wind lights coming out of the first miles an hour. There's the second mayor's car. Little GTO. Gas, tires, and oil. GTO. Reaction time in the left lane. 70 to 716. Ernie the Attorney with his Magnum Ford here in the right lane. Taking on the car reminiscent of Shirley Shader. So Dodge Dart over the left lane, going to try and stick it to Ernie the Attorney. He's actually the attorney that represented Irwindale drag strip. Yeah. And the Speedway. He represented him fine. That was good fun economy. He's good. Ford Fairlane takes on the Dodge Dart. Our first muscle car was a 1966 Fairlane XL 4-speed 390. Love that car. One of the ones that And now, Dave, here the right lane. He is the man, I believe the Presidente of the FX group. Chevrolet against the Dodge, and they're holding them up for a second. Checking something on the Chevy. All right, racers, if your car has a parachute on it, you do need to for Dave. Of a second. Now here you got a first and second generation Nova. Quite a bit of difference between these two vehicles. The car in the right lane has a removable subframe. The left lane, you unbolt the whole front of the car. It was all sheet metal. Whereas the Nova in the right lane actually had a bit of a frame. They call it a subframe, but it was actually a taking on Nova. Right lane, 105 to 111. 56 Chevy here in the right lane. Lots of patina on that vehicle, taking on the Nova. And again, you're going to see some of the cars coming back because we're hot lapping. FX and Gassers are the only ones that are in a specific lane. The other lanes are open to every other racer, so they can get back in lane and come back and race. Deep stage for the 56 Chevy. Oh, he sits there. 1.3 second reaction time, right lane. A little bit of smoke coming out of the back of the Nova, left lane. He goes 746 to an 1143 for the 56 Chevy.
God damn, look at this. This fucking wheel broke off. My dumb ass wasn't recording. Oh my goodness.
So it looks like we're going to need the
That happened to me in my Z car one time driving down the street. But my wheel went in somebody's backyard.
Side rear wheel.
That's like a
And the wheel is still going. Still going.
Still going. There it is.
Still going.
Oh, there it is. He finally
Who
stopped.
thinks the wheel is going to get a better ET? I think he's come to a stop. All right, the tire and wheel finally came to a stop. It's perfectly
Well,
flat,
they're
so
gonna
it's
get this-
standing straight up at the track.
Towed that one off too. Another sweet car. I might be heading out in a little bit. I got my fix on the drag racing after that dude broke his stuff. That was kind of it for me. Another nice truck. So let's go check out this Nova. So I think that's a Nova. Yeah, let's go look at this Corvette real quick. Oh, this is fucking gorgeous. Excuse my language. Jesus. I know he be having fun in this car. Just stab it. That is sweet. Man, I like that.
Let's see what happened when we lost the code here. Yeah.
This is sweet. I like to see these kind of cars. I like this. I wish she would have ran this one.